If you're interested in learning how to make Greek yogurt, you just clicked on the right video. If you've watched my previous videos on how to make yogurt from scratch and how to make yogurt into a drink, you already know the basics. So today I'm going one step further and showing you how to make Greek yogurt at home. Thick, creamy, tangy and absolutely delicious. We'll start by measuring the milk, then proceed to combine with the required amount of hot water, mix it till it is well combined, and then bring it to the ideal temperature before we introduce our live culture. For this video I use yogurt whey as my starter. You can decide to use yogurt or a store-bought starter. I'm not going to be dropping so much detailed information on this video because I've already done that in my 2 previous videos, so please go and watch those ones so you can learn some tips on yogurt making. In this video I'm only going to be walking you through how to make Greek yogurt. After introducing your live culture, mix to combine everything, then cover the lid of your bowl, wrap with a towel for more warmth, then store in a warm place for fermentation. It is best to use your oven or any other warm area in your kitchen. We'll let it ferment till it's set. Fermentation should take place anywhere from 8 to 16 hours. It all depends on the temperature of the milk. Mine took about 16 hours thereabouts to ferment. After fermentation, it is time to strain to get that signature Greek yogurt texture. Transfer the yogurt into a mesh cloth, tie it up so it can strain nicely, then transfer into your fridge to settle down for about 4 to 6 hours, or you can leave it overnight. The texture of my yogurt is a bit runny because of the brand of milk I made use of, but it's nothing to worry about. Secure the mesh cloth so it can strain nicely. Keep in mind that the longer it's strained, the thicker the yogurt is going to get. Always keep your yogurt in the refrigerator for it to strain, else it's going to go bad. After straining, it's time to mix and get the creamy consistency we are after. Do not discard the water gotten from straining. It is called yogurt whey and it can be used in making yogurt and it can be used for other things as well. Now it's time to mix the yogurt. You can either use a manual whisk or an electrical one. An electric whisk will give you a smoother texture. If after straining your yogurt you discover that it is too thick, there is no reason to panic. Just go in with the yogurt whey gotten from straining, mix it with the yogurt till you get the desired consistency. Here you have it. This is how to make Greek yogurt from your home with no special equipment needed. This is basically unsweetened Greek yogurt. If you want yours to be sweetened, you can go in to add sugar or any type of sweetener of choice. You can even add flavor. It all depends on what you want. If you've watched this far, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so when I put out a new video you'll be notified, and share this video with anyone who would love to make Greek yogurt in the comfort of their home. If you haven't seen my videos on how to make yogurt from scratch and how to make drinking yogurt, I highly recommend you check them out because they include detailed tips that will ensure the success of your yogurt. If you have any question or any video suggestion, do also leave it in the comment section as I will be reading and responding to all comments.